In this video, we're going to talk about exponents and the rules associated with working with exponents. Exponents, also known as powers, they signify when something is multiplied by itself the number of times of the exponent. Exponents are written as a to the b, where a is the base and b is the exponent or the power. An example of exponents, or a to the b, is like 3 to the second power, where you have 3 times 3. Notice it's not 3 times 2, but 3 times 3, which equals 9. Another example is 2 to the third power, where we have 2 times 2 times 2, again, not 2 times 3, and 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 more equals 8. There are 6 rules for working with exponents. We have the rules of 1, the product rule, the quotient rule, the zero rule, the power rule, and the rule of negative exponents. Let's talk about the rules of 1 more specifically. There are 2 simple rules of 1 that we must remember. The first one is any number raised to the power of 1 equals itself. The second rule of 1 is that 1 raised to any power equals 1. Let's do some examples. 3 to the first power is 3 basically multiplied all alone, which is 3. X to the first power also equals x. And 1 to the fourth power equals 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1. Don't make the common mistake of saying 1 to the fourth power equals 4. No, it's 1 times itself 4 times, which 1 times any number of times itself is going to always be 1. So let's look at some practice problems. 1 to the third power. You can think about what these answers will be. And y to the first power, and 7 to the first power. So I'll give you a second to think about what those answers will be. Then we'll come up with some answers ourselves. So 1 to the third power equals 1. We said 1 times itself any number of times equals 1. And y to the first power equals y. Y basically all by itself. And 7 to the first power equals 7. If you got those answers, you did a wonderful job. And you are ready for the next video, which will be the product rule. If this video has been helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Also, visit us at 8minutemath.com, where you can see our content and resources and courses, things that are available to you there. Lastly, follow us on Facebook at 8minutemathhelp.com. We look forward to seeing you there.